Holy market crash, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Let's talk about what's going on in crypto right now. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts. Now, obviously, we're seeing a huge sell-off, and a lot of this is coming back to Trump's tariffs. We thought that this could happen. We knew that there would be some short-term volatility and some downside risk for stocks and crypto, by the way. This is not just crypto related, because the markets are still trying to respond and react to Trump's new policies, right? And this is something we're going to have to just deal with here in the short term. I do think over time, this is going to be a positive thing overall. But right now, the markets do not know how to respond. They do not know how to react to what's going on. And again, anytime the markets have uncertainty is a time where you're going to get big volatility. But aside from this whole thing that's happening due to Trump and due to these tariffs, so let's just talk about this from a market standpoint, sell-off standpoint. When we look at these sell-offs that we're seeing, these dips, this happens in a bull market. These type of sell-offs happen in a bull market. In fact, we just recently had one. If you guys remember, not too long ago, Bitcoin dipped down to 97, 96,000. People were freaking out. And then we went up and set all-time highs at 109K. Okay, so as long as we kind of stay in this range, this is not the end of the road, in my opinion, for this bull run. This is a blip on the radar. And honestly, I know I sound like a broken record, and I think a lot of you are probably thinking, what do you mean it's just another opportunity? It is. I mean, let me ask you guys this. Is this sell-off, is this dip going to force you out of the crypto market? Are you going to quit crypto because of 15 to 20% sell-offs on some altcoins? If the answer is yes, then you're probably not cut out for crypto, because this happens even just out of nowhere, right? Like with no real reason. We have a reason here with the tariffs. It's uncertainty. It's causing market volatility. But at the end of the day, I'm not going anywhere, right? And if you're a believer in crypto long term, this shouldn't shake you out completely. So how do we want to look at it? We want to look at it as a buying opportunity. Ethereum is holding up pretty decently well, but Ethereum under 3,000, that's a buying opportunity. Solana coming all the way down into the low 200s, that's a buying opportunity. Bitcoin, it's crazy to say this, underneath 100,000 is a buying opportunity. But it is. As long as you believe in the long-term future of crypto. This is the time period, guys, where you don't go chasing crazy 100Xs here. Just go back to the old reliable blue chips here. XRP, for example, falling down to 266, 265. We were just here. When Bitcoin and everything took a big dip, what did XRP do? It came down to this same range and it shot back up days later. And if I'm a betting man, I'm betting that as we enter next week, the markets are going to probably come back upward. And it won't take a ton for that to happen. So we're seeing some sell-offs on the weekend based on Trump announcing his tariff plans. Once we iron out more details here and the markets kind of have time to react and respond to this, I do think we'll see a bounce, okay? Now, when that bounce occurs, in order to take full advantage, right, and really use data points, you can use an indicator, okay? I have one, xtalgo.com. If you guys want those momentum up, buy alerts, you can get them. A little over $1 a day. I'll leave the link to xtalgo. Use discount code X at checkout for 22% off all packages. This will help you tremendously. Know, at least have an idea of where the local bottoms are and when we're coming out of it. And again, I'll leave those links down below. But this is not causing me to run for the hills, guys. We're still in a really good spot. I know it doesn't feel like that today, but zoom out, see the big picture here. Even if you don't necessarily have cash on the sidelines to buy the dip, for me, this is not an opportunity to leave crypto or run away or sell everything. You do not want to sell on the red. Okay, that is not how you make money. That's not how you win at this game. You want to sell on the green days, buy on the red days. That's why it's crucial that we try to have cash on the sidelines, stable coins on the sidelines for days like this. We pick up things that we like on the cheap. So that's the video, guys. I will have some more content out for you guys as the day rolls along, and I appreciate you all for watching. Again, XT Algo, there's a link down below for you guys. Check it out. Little over $1 a day, get you started, and I appreciate you all for watching.